Hi, this is Griffith David, CEO and founder of Habanero Foods. At Habanero, we help you cook like a chef at home, and a wide range of products help you do just that. In fact, some of our products are vegan, and there's something for everyone. So today we're going to bring you a wide range of recipes, so let's get cooking. Today we're doing a classic minced lamb pasta using the Habanero spicy pasta sauce. So I've got minced lamb, I've got some fresh herbs, penne pasta, green peas, shredded cheese, some onions, mushrooms, garlic and broccoli, some fresh parsley, and some carrots. Let's go.